Okay guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So I just want to share what I observe. As a forex trader, you see, anytime you open your chart, you must observe new things every single day. So I don't want to make the video so lengthy. We'll dive in straight to what this video is all about. So what I observe about this chart, for those people that don't know what's going on, I'll go back to my previous video I uploaded on this channel. You see, I talk about this trade and how we got this trade. You see, so I just want to share my observation about this trade. This video is about risk management. So I want to teach you guys on how to manage your risks. Very, very much important. How to manage your risks. If you don't know how to manage your risks, you will never go far in this game. You will never go far in this journey. It's how you manage your risks. That's what is going to make you still stay strong and still stay consistent. Still make you trade every single day. You see? So that's the thing. Looking at this trade now, let me go to the 15 minutes time frame so that you guys will see the structure very well. You can see the structure. This is a mind-blowing structure. This is the kind of structure I like to use to teach my students. You see, this structure is a mind-blowing structure. Just look at the movement here. Look at the movement. You see from here, it went back up, came down here, went another up, see, came down here, and went up again. You see the movement, guys. Now, guess what? It's not coming down. We are holding this thing to here, TP here. You see? To TP here. Now, I want to explain this thing. You as a trader, you should not over leverage your account, and you should not over place trade that is beyond your capital. You see? You should not overplace trade that is beyond your capital. That should be your number one rule. Now imagine now you have, because some trader made this mistake, they will have like $20 in their account. They will place a trade. As they place a trade, I want to remove this. As they place a trade, and they saw this movement now. As they place a trade, they saw this movement. And market came down. As market came to this level now, you will see that trader now add multiple position. They will add multiple position. If it was one position earlier, you see that they will add another position again. As they add position now, thinking that okay, the market will now be going down like that. It's not you that own the market. It's not you that own this market. Now, as this market now saw that you have placed an order now, you have executed trade now. Guess what? The market moved back up. The market moved back up. Moving back up now. Because of you have over leveraged your account with bigger lot size. You cannot wait again for you to see the final result of the market, because of you misenter. Like everything was correct, your entry and everything, the analysis and everything is correct. What is incorrect is just how you place your trade. You placing your trade was very, very incorrect. The way you placed your trade was very, very incorrect. And since you have placed your order now at that level, at this level now, you place your order at this level now, and market is going back up to that level, back up to the main entry of this trade. Because your account is too small, you'll be scared to hold this trade. You'll be scared to hold the trade because of what? Your account is too small. That's one thing most of you traders do. Poor risk management. Why not put the two positions from this level? Why not put the two positions from this level? The entry, the beginning of the trade. Why not put the two positions here and allow everything to play out? Allow everything to play out. You should never make the mistake. You should never make the mistake of. Sorry, guys. You should never make the mistake of. You should never make the mistake of doing this kind of thing. Once you know that the market has already gone far, there's no need for you to place another position again. That's what I always tell my students. Okay, now, maybe now you place a position here, and market move back up to this level, and you hold it. And after praying and fasting, praying, oh God, please, this is to come back to my level. This is to come back and give me profit, and I will close. And market gave you profit. Because you see the market has given you profit, you place another 4 more position again from this level. You place another 4 more position again from this level because you want to pack all the money in the market. You place another position again from this level. And guess what? Market went back up again. Because of your position is like your position you place is above your capital. It's beyond your capital. You can't hold the trade again. Last, you will still close the trade on minus 0.00 or minus $8 or minus $10 or minus $15 after all the opposition because you missed enter the trade. See, the risk management is not about calculating your loss only. It's not about calculating your loss only. It's about how you enter the market. It's about how you enter the market. Me, I always say, once I place a position on the entry level, if it's 2 positions, I place it on the entry level. I'm not adding any other position again. I'm not adding another position. Instead, I will break even. Once I see this kind of movement, I will break even. You see? Now, that aside, hope you guys have learned something. So the next mistake traders do is this other mistake. After market has given them from these pips, from here to here, and maybe the trader managed to control his psychology and he hold this trade from there again to this level. Instead for the trader now to break even, the reason why I always love break even is because of when you execute your trade from this entry level, and market has given you these pips, and you break even to your entry level, you are no longer using your capital anymore. The capital you are now using is the capital market gave you. So if it go against you, you will still be in the positive side. You won't lose anything. You might even gain a little sense, but you won't lose your capital. That's the reason why you need to always use break-even. You don't need to be scared of using break-even. That's my own advantage of using break-even. You see, now market has given you this thing, and you saw this movement. You don't need to be scared and close the trade. The movement I'm talking about is this movement. You don't need to be scared to close the trade because of the trade is going back to the entry level. You don't need to be scared. Why are you scared? You just need to break even and allow market to do its thing. Simple and short. Reduce your stop loss. If you don't want to break even, the thing is just reduce your stop loss. And what if market will surely kick you out? If market kick you out, okay, you take it. That's how the trade is for that day. Not for you to just, because of heart attack and thinking your BP is high, you close the trade so fast. That's premature trade. You need to trade like a pro. You understand? So that's the thing I just want to teach you guys. It's not just about calculating your loss. It's about how you approach the market. It's very, very much important. You can see this thing is going to give us 1:3. I've been holding this trade since 12 p.m. in the afternoon. And guess what? Now it's about 2:04 in the evening. So look at this trade very well. I hope you have learned something. This kind of movement is the movement you will come across every single day of your life. Every single day of your life. Forget those simple price action that your mentor do use to teach you. Those price actions, you only see them once in a year. What you will encounter every day as a trader is these price actions. This a pull, a retrace back, a pull, a retrace back. This price action is not going, especially when you are using low capital, this price action is going to give you a lot of headache. But with a good psychology and good risk management, you won't have those headaches. You will sleep fine and allow market to do its thing. You see? Allow market to do its thing. So that's the thing about risk management or how to approach the chart. This pure price action I'm using, for those that don't understand how we got about this trade, go and watch my previous video. Go and watch the previous video and watch it calmly. You will understand something. I'll come back to this video to join the knowledge you got from that one and this one and apply it on your daily trading life, and you'll see how successful you're going to be. I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. Click the like button, comment. You see, I need your support for this channel to grow, to reach more people so that they will benefit from the knowledge you are benefiting from today. Thank you. Peace out.